Hey besties, it's a teen to back again with a maths video. So today we're going to look at rationalizing the denominator, and this is for grade 11 and also grade 12. So I'm going to make this thing simple and fun for you all. So what I just want from you guys is to grab your notepad and also your calculator and lastly your pen and let's just get right into it. Okay, so we are given this expression and we are asked to rationalize it. So what you need to know is that in most cases there won't be a question which will ask you to rationalize per se, but you might be asked to simplify and you have to use the rationalization method. Okay, so we have this one. It is 3 divided by the root of 6. Sorry about this one. This thing. Okay, yeah. So it's 3 divided by the root of 6. So one thing you need to know about rationalizing, always you need to multiply that fraction that you're given by another fraction. So let's just say multiply it. I'm gonna multiply it by a fraction. So by now we don't know how we are going to make that fraction, but we know that we're going to multiply it by a fraction. So how are we going to find the numerator and the denominator of our new fraction? So this is the only trick when it comes to rationalizing. So you're going to say your numerator and your denominator is the denominator of the first expression, or the one which you are given, which means that I'm going to say root 6 here and root 6 here. So that means that your numerator and your denominator, they are the deno of the given fraction. Simple as that. So the numerator as well as the denominator, they are actually the denominator of the given fraction. Okay, so now you can just do the normal mathematics. Remember, a numerator has to multiply the numerator, so it's going to be something like this, and the denominator will multiply the denominator, which is something like this. So that means that we're going to have 3 multiplied by root 6, which is equals to 3 root 6 divided by, and then root 6 multiplied by root 6. Let me just write it like this: root 6 multiplied by the root of 6. So what you need to know is that if you are multiplying numbers which consist of the same root, you need to do the following. Let's say we have root 6 and then it is being multiplied by root 6. So you're gonna take one root and then you're going to multiply the ones which are inside. 6 times 6. So it is actually equals to the root of 6. Remember, 6 times 6 is equals to 6 squared. It's the same thing as x times x, which is equals to x squared, So yeah, so it's equals to 6 squared. And now the magic or the beauty of mathematics happens. Remember, this is the square root, okay? This is the square root. And this is a little 2, and they need to go together. So that means that the final answer is 6. You'll get it, okay? So that means that when we are simplifying this one, it will be equals to 3 root of 6 divided by what? Divided by 6. The reason why I did this separately is because I wanted you guys to understand it a lot better, so you can also do it like when you're going down, okay? So that means that you can still simplify it, because here we have 3 and here we have 6. So how many times does 3 goes in itself? To itself, it's 1. And how many times does 3 goes into 6? And that is 2. So your answer will be equals to the root of 6 divided by 2. So I hope you guys have understood and mastered this part of rationalizing. See you guys in the next video of rationalizing the denominator. Bye.